The Voltset 20W solar charger kit features a smart MPPT charge controller, ensuring your battery is protected from overcharging, overvoltage, short circuits, and reverse polarity. With its newly upgraded intelligent 3-stage charging chip, this solar charger boasts a charging capacity increase of 25 to 30% over other models and a conversion rate of up to 24%. The solar panel's 3 colorful LED indicators provide a clear visual representation of the charging status, helping you easily monitor the condition of your battery. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included toolkit, which features screws and a wrench, making it easy to mount the solar panel on a fence post. Constructed with tempered glass and an aviation-grade aluminum alloy frame, the Voltset 20W solar charger is built to be strong and durable. Voltset offers a 12-month warranty and a 365-day money-back guarantee, ensuring customer satisfaction and support for any issues that may arise.